All right, hey friends, welcome back to Pages and Possibilities. Listen, this week I am reading a special story because this will set to air on Martin Luther King Day, and I think it's a perfect time to talk about our people. Martin Luther King had a dream that one day our nation's system would rise up and dismantle oppression and make sure our students have the best opportunity to thrive. So today I'm going to read a book by Langston Hughes called My People. Now, this book is unlike any other book I've read. This is also an award-winning book. And as you look, there are photographs in it. So there are not illustrations, they are photographs. And these photographs are by Charles R. Smith Jr. So this episode is for you to look at a book that has photographs and really think about what they mean and how they add to the title of the book. So let's get started. My people. The night. Is beautiful. So the faces. Of my people. The stars are beautiful. So the eyes of my people. Beautiful also. Is the sun. Beautiful also are the souls of my people. This is Charles R. Smith. And so I want you to know that this small opportunity to connect with a group of people is something we don't get to do often. We are bounded by social media and we are impacted by social justice. But I encourage you on this day, after receiving this small message, that you bond with the people around you and you start to notice their features and notice how beautiful and wonderfully crafted they are. And have a moment to connect with them and enjoy, because you never know when that moment will disappear. And come right back next week because I have a special uplifting story. Because this wasn't so uplifting, but unfortunately, sometimes life happens that way. But the uplifting part of this whole message is that you have people in your life and you choose who your people are. No one else can choose them for you. I'll see you next week for another story on Pages and Possibilities.